Guys, today is December 18th, 2025. It is day 18 of opening the B-Box Advent boxes from Softsquares. It is the 5th day of opening the A-Box. Those started opening on the 14th. The thumbnails for each of my videos will tell you exactly what I'm opening. So if you're just now starting the A-Box and you're wondering when it started, it was day 14, December 14th. All right, so let's talk about these. The A-Box is day 5, and here's our 14. And we're going to start with A. You are getting a little project bag, but it doesn't have a project in it. This size bag is great for needle art, for carrying small components to a bigger project. Just throwing your notions in there, really pretty handy. Here's our paper. A-Box Day 5. Notions are the little helpers every quilter needs. Most of these small items came from my friend Vicki at Creative Notions. I love her notions and carry many of her items in my shop. So we're going to open this bag and see what's in there. Not everything is coming from her shop. Almost everything is. So, and not from her shop, but from her items. So we have the steam roller with the wooden steam, the wooden roller. Says if you don't have time or the ability to get to an iron, you just need a quick press. That's super handy to keep things flat. You're also getting these nice little snips. And I don't know what size they are. I had them somewhere once. These are like 2-inch scissors. Small, nice, like cutting thread. Perfect for keeping at your sewing machine or putting in with your hand work. You're also getting Quilter's Moonshine. You might get a different size bottle, but you're also getting, which is empty by the way, you're getting the recipe for it. So this is how you can make homemade spray starch for your sewing room or to use on clothes or whatever. But this is a recipe. Takes a gallon of water and then you add to it from there. So you're obviously going to get a big batch, but you have a little sprayer and little spray. Okay, so anyway, these two also came from Vicki. And then the last thing that's in the bag, which did not come from her, is a seam ripper with 50 lumens. This is a lighted seam ripper. You're going to charge it to use it, but then when you push this button, this area right here is like a flashlight coming in at it. So you can see exactly what you're working on. And then there is the seam ripper. Do you see that right there? So it's just little but mighty. If you're ever in the dark or trying to get something done while someone's watching TV, trying to be quiet and not light up the room, this is really good. That's what this is. So these are your items that came in today's box bag for the A box. And they all fit nice in your little pouch, which you can repurpose however you want. All right, now the elf. The elf says, if you get the box from Vicki, you might have most of these. Remember, your friends would love to have this. The recipe card is something all might like. No drinking on the job while making it. One of the ingredients is vodka, and it says the cheaper the better. Don't get too carried away making your moonshine. All right, so that is it for the elf. The B box has this long, thin thing in here. And this is what delayed your boxes from getting shipped out if you're waiting on this. It happens to be your personalized item. Now, if you ordered your box early enough, we were able to put your personalized name on here. Otherwise, you'll get what says Quilter on there. And guess what? You can use it with this. A minute to go on there. Now, I have mine. And oh, by the way, there's black screws that come with it, and the screws go right here to screw in. Now I'm pinning this on my wall right now, so we're obviously not going to be doing that. But look how cute that is. Be a little straighter. Let's see, is that going to work? So now you have a custom hanger with either your name or preferred name that you had given us, or the word quilter to use. Now this is a 10-inch hanger. This is a 12-inch wall hanging. So keep that in mind when you put your little hanger on the back side of this. I'd be really surprised if you guys made this before you open this because of the time of year and just the fact that that's not a really quick project. And so hopefully you have not put your hanging loop on yet, or if you did, it will accommodate and work. So just super easy to just put this on there. So anyway, this is what you get. You get your name, or you get this. Again, you're getting little teeny screws to put it on your thing. It almost looks like the house is hanging from our quilter. So super excited. I hope you love this. This is your personalized item, and these are very personalized to our box. You can't get them anywhere else. So love to hear what you think about that. Now I want to hear what the elf has to say about it. The elf says, you all knew this was coming, but what is it? I'm sure it will be special to you. This is one reason the elf just loves B-Box. I had to send a couple of elves to elf resources for trying to play a prank on our naughty customers. They thought it would be great to mix them up and ship them out. Not funny. Well, hopefully we didn't do that this year, but you know what? We have done that before accidentally, and you guys have been really awesome to work with us. But hopefully you got the one that you asked for. But that's funny. So the elf their little buddies wanted to play a prank and mix you up. And this has been the biggest headache and biggest fear that I've had is like, please make sure the right name goes in the right box with the right shipping label. So I'm pretty confident we did okay. Pretty confident. All right, so that's day 18 of the B-Box. Let's pick our number, and I have G52. G52 is your number for today. Add that to your bingo card and come back tomorrow. See you soon.